Hard work. So today we're in Shawnee, and what we're going to go over is I-beam braces and crack injections. On this particular house, the back wall had some stress fractures coming off both sides, which is sure signs of the wall coming in. The cracks wasn't that big at all. What we did was we came in, we assessed what was going on, and since it was caught so quickly, we didn't have to do the full repair plan or the worst case scenario on this wall. The wall was only in about 3/4 of an inch all the way down. So what we was able to do is we was able to come in and do crack injections and support the wall itself with I-beam braces. What that did was it stopped the wall from moving any further, and we also took care of the cracks to make sure that there was no water coming in. With this particular project and us catching it before it got any worse, it saved right around $7,000 in foundation work because it was caught so quickly. There is a little more cracks on here than what we would like to see, but the way that the foundation was built on this particular house was there was no rebar put into it on the back wall. So any movement itself caused multiple cracks. That's why it looks like it's worse than what it was.
Hard work, work. Hard work.